What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thursday, May 8th. Cinco de Ocho. No. Cinco is 5. Cinco de Mayo. Ocho de Mayo. Oh, man. I need a Latina chica to teach me some Espanol. Me hablo un poquito español. Oye, mami, ¿qué quieres hacer esta noche? Vamos a la hot tub. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Thursday morning. It's 7:25 here in the morning. I left the office about 25 minutes ago, right around 7 o'clock. I'm driving to Jericho. It's going to take about an hour in total travel time to get there. That's why I left around 7. I want to be there at 8. I want to do my preventative maintenance on this maintenance agreement client that we have. It's a residential client. We put in the carrier system for them about 8 or 9 years ago. We replaced their HTP condensing boiler with a different boiler a number of years ago. And we're going to do some maintenance over there. Looking forward to it. I want to talk about a couple things this morning. Just a couple things. Number one, last Thursday, I go on Vevor's website, Vevor, and I order a cotton candy machine. It gave me a couple choices of colors, red or blue. I like Pipe Dr. Blue. It reminds me of Mega Blue, the color that we use, that we paint the plywood, that we mount boilers to. I ordered the blue, and I clicked the button to order the stand with the cotton candy machine. Monday, I checked the tracking number to see where it is, because normally when I order from Vevor, I placed a few orders from them, it comes the next day. So Monday morning, I look online, FedEx tracking number. FedEx hasn't even picked up the fucking package from Vevor. I'm like, these motherfuckers, really? So I tried reaching out to Vevor. I was like, well, it's a FedEx problem. I was like, not a FedEx problem. And plus, why doesn't my order show the stand? I was like, don't you know I need the stand and I need this cotton candy machine for Friday? I ordered it Thursday. It should be here on Monday. And now here it is Monday, and you guys even ship it out. Yeah, I was like, yes, we did. It takes a while for it to update. I was like, bullshit. Don't pretend I'm a dumb fucking American, okay? And these are all like probably an AI bot from China. So they said the best thing to do would be to cancel the order, place a new order, make sure you click on the stand, and then it'll ship out today. I was like, can I have it tomorrow? She goes, you can't have it tomorrow, but you have it in a couple days. So I place another order. They tell me to refuse delivery when it comes. On the one I ordered the week before. On Thursday. A week from today. A week ago today, sorry. Neither one shipped out yet, by the way. Vevor fucking sucks. I'm better off ordering on Amazon. So now here I am promising people last Friday that we're going to have cotton candy. But there's no fucking cotton candy machine. So I'm kind of like screwed. People are going to be disappointed in me. That Mikey Pipes said cotton candy's coming next Friday and not going to be any fucking cotton candy. I guess it won't be the first time that, I got your guys' hopes up and didn't meet your expectations. For example, the 50,000 subscriber pool party for the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. I know, it never happened. It never happened. Having a 50,000 subscriber pool party for the main channel with what will be going on in that pool party isn't appropriate. Okay? It's not appropriate. So when the Uncensored channel hits 50,000 subscribers, have you subscribed already, by the way? If you're watching this, have you subscribed? Don't worry, there's no cost or obligation. I'm not going to fuck you in the asshole. Subscribe. At 50,000 subscribers, I am going to host a pool party. Right? At a hotel in Florida. And there's going to be a lot of vodka and tequila flowing. And some sushi. And we're not talking about the fish that your sister has available. I'm not. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is Friday. And between the hours, and starting at 1 o'clock at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere, Mike's Meat Friday. If you come to 1010 Central Avenue at 1 o'clock, you will have the opportunity to eat my meat. Okay? You can have a free hot dog. You're going to have free popcorn. You can have free French fries. And if I can find a cotton candy machine today, some cotton candy. All right. So that was the first thing I wanted to talk about. How Vevor fucked Mikey Pipes right in the keister. And Vevor fucked more than Mikey Pipes. Vevor also fucked you as well. Because you're not having any cotton candy from a Vevor cotton candy machine. All right. The second thing I want to talk about. I have received an email from someone who lives nearby, Elmont to be exact, responding to the job posting that I have on Indeed for the residential HVAC service technician position. The sun's bothering me. The gentleman doesn't really have any qualifications on paper, right? Doesn't have any job experience on paper. But he said he's motivated and he has his Universal 608 and he has experience. And he really wants the job. So he sends me his resume. I'm looking at it and it doesn't have anything about, HVAC experience on it. But he says and it doesn't list his Universal 608 EPA on it. But he says, I have my Universal 608 and I would like to work for you. So I respond back. Do you have knowledge and or experience that meets the criteria for the HVAC service position? ? And I write further that the position is not an apprenticeship. It is a position where you will be working solo, driving to the client's location, diagnosing and repairing HVAC equipment. Period. I said, if you meet that criteria, when would you like to come in to meet for an interview? ? Followed by, there is a 3-part process. There is a written exam. There is a practical exam. And there is a informal/formal discussion with me and you on your qualifications and the job. The entire process could take up to 90 minutes. Period. I sent it to him. He goes, I'm available Friday morning between 11 and 4. I'm like, great, come in Friday at 12. He goes, okay. What am I doing, ladies and gentlemen? I set myself up for failure, wasting my time, or they built a cemetery here? Huh. I'm on Jericho Turnpike in like Old Westbury right now. Interesting. I haven't been up here in a little while, but it looks like a nice piece of property that they hooked up there. So, or am I finding like the golden goose? Golden goose. I guess we'll find out, ladies and gentlemen. So tomorrow, this gentleman's coming in. I'm getting a few resumes here and there on Indeed for the HVAC technician position. Some people are saying, oh, Mikey Pipes, you got to pay more. Like, I'm not even talking about fucking money. Right? If you know your stuff, right, you will be compensated accordingly. If you perform, you will be compensated accordingly. Okay? And a perfect example. Look at Daniel. Daniel is almost half my age. He's been working with us for about almost 4 years, I think, around there. And late last year, he purchased his first home. A place he can call his own. Okay? So, obviously, and we live in New York on Long Island, right? What do you think? You think it's $50,000 you can buy a place? No. Out of your fucking mind? Obviously, I take care of my team. That should be just a given. Why people have the urge to be a cuffluckle, a pot stirrer? Why? Why must people have the urge to fuck with me? This used to be a Howard Johnson, by the way. This building right here. All right? Now it's called the New York Institute of Technology. That used to be a Howard Johnson. Man, I'm fucking old. Damn! And by the way, Daniel is getting a brand new truck. I got him the 2025 E-Sprinter. High roof. And all new shelving inside. It's a sizable investment. Yesterday we started clearing out some of the plumbing stuff that has been sitting in his truck for about 4 years. That he never used. It was like plaster and wax rings. He used plaster once. He set one toilet. And I just wanted to do it because it was like a $5,000 toilet that I wanted to install. But how else to get your feet wet other than with like the world's most expensive toilet? The porcelain god. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am one exit away from my first service call. Thank you for letting me rant and rave this morning over the last 13 minutes and a half minutes. 13:30 right now. Love you guys. No homo. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.